Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is Michael.
Howdy,
and
partners.
If you roll that over there, you'll see Teddy. There's Teddy right there, and Ginger, and show Ginger, and say hi everyone
Hey,
to
Teddy.
the cameras. There they are. I'm
Hey,
telling
Gija.
you, these dogs, my dogs are something. So this morning, guys, well, I'm not going to say this morning, this afternoon, it's almost 3 o'clock. Sorry about that. We're going to make some flour tortilla chips made with just a regular tortilla that they sell at the supermarket. They have the corn, they have these. But I figured, why not try and make a recipe? So this is what the recipe consists. What you're going to do, you're going to take your flours, right? Your flour tortillas. And you're going to baste them like this in butter. That's half a stick of butter. You melt it, you put it in a little bowl, and then you fill these flour tortillas with your butter. Okay? I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna make 4, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
For now, like this. And you put your butter on both of them. You see what I did, guys?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so flour tortillas, melted butter, take a brush like mine, and put oil on both sides. Hold on, Teddy. And then we're gonna season that with garlic salt that I have here. We have also chili powder.
That's right.
And cumin. So we finish putting oil, okay, on the tortas on both sides. And then when we're done, we're gonna season it with garlic salt that I put here together. I mix it together. And what I did was I put like less than a tablespoon, 3/4 of a spoon, like 1 tablespoon of seasoning for each 6 tortillas. So I put 2 of them, and I'm making 10 of them. So I mix it cumin, like 3/4 teaspoons of cumin and 3/4 of chili powder, and 3/4 the same for garlic salt. Okay, and then you mix it together very good. You take a little bit like that. You want to put it in the middle first. You saw me when we started a thing that I was putting more oil because we have to rub it in. Okay, here's the seasoning. And these are tortilla chips. Flour tortilla chips, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Michael?
You put oil on both sides.
Yep. But I'm gonna put a little bit more. They're gonna be, I gotta cut them just like that. And that's what's gonna cook them. Sorry, guys. That was funny, right? I thought it was the oil. Did you see what I did? So that's what we're doing. And then we're gonna put them like this together. Okay? I'm gonna bring them over here, guys. As you can see, I have some here that I already seasoned and cut. And what we're gonna do, and I have some in the oven. We're gonna cut them like this. Let me turn it around and across. I like big tortilla chips. Now, if you have like salsa in your house, you can use salsa, you can use queso, you know, you can buy your queso and just heat it up. They have that queso that you can heat up. Or else you can buy the cheese and you can melt it if you want. You can do like spinach, chicken quesadillas, whatever you want, you know. So what I'm doing right now is just putting them, lining them up, because they will be going in the oven. And I'm gonna show you the ones that I do have it separating them, sorry. The ones that I do have in the oven. See how pretty they look, right? Just want you to see. And it's a great idea because if you go to the supermarket or even in Walmart, you go buy a bag and you have 2, 3, 4 kids and they come together like from school or hang out with your other kids or just for like dessert and stuff like that. You can dip them in anything you want, right, Michael? Okay, as you can see, come here, Michael. I want everybody to see, so you put them in the oven between 4 and 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, when they're really nice and crispy, you take them out. I'm gonna have my salsa out when we come back so you guys can see. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea what I'm doing. And these are, we're gonna call them flour tortilla chips. The seasoned ones, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
Flour seasoned tortilla chips. And instead of buying in the supermarket, you know those Doritos they like, right? And they're corn, these made out of flour, they're very expensive. And if you have to like buy 2, 3 bags during the week, you're talking about like 10, 15 bucks, and just only on the chips. So this is an easy way. These tortillas, they come very cheap at the supermarket. Sometimes they have them on sale. You get 40 of them. These cost $1.49, and I got 20 of them for $1.49. I mean, if you want to go cheaper than that, they have cheaper than that. But this is great, and you can make a lot of, you know what I'm saying, appetizers and stuff like that for the family and the kids and everybody that comes over. So with that, we'll be right back in 6 minutes and 34 seconds. So when this first batch is done, I'm gonna put these on a tray. And the way of doing that, it has to be a tray, guys, before we go, that is not grease. Okay, no, not grease, because you already have grease on these. So we'll be right back in 6 minutes. fact, I'm taking the first tray out. I still have it, as you can see up there.
Oh, look at those. Oh, look at those.
Hold on, Mike. I'm gonna go on that side. Excuse me. So I'm gonna take these out first. Wow. And I already got my pico de gallo sauce. As you can see right here, I got this from my favorite Mexican restaurant that the family loves to go to. So right now with the pandemic and everything, people can order, to go. So I always get like the large one, so I can use it also for other things.
Where'd you
which
get
it
that?
comes very handy. From a restaurant, a Spanish restaurant, Hassan Ben.
Oh, I didn't go
That
with
we
you.
go to. So
When
these
you
are
got
the
that?
chips, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on a second.
Oh, look at those chips,
I'm
guys.
gonna put it in one of these first.
Let's take a close
I'm
up.
gonna give your dad the first batch of these. I'm gonna put them in here because I want them to cool off. Excuse me. See? Is that Teddy? Oh, you got burned a little, huh, Michael? I tasted when you saw me take one. Look. So I'm gonna go like this to cool them down.
You want
As
the
you can
seasoning
see,
to fall on the floor.
No, as you can see, they're very nice and toasty already.
You can go for it.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give these to my husband, and this is a good appetizer. I'm gonna be making dinner also, but I figure, hey, let me make some of these so everybody can enjoy. Sometimes, because of the pandemic, we all been going a lot out, ordering out, kind of like feeling like maybe if we go to the drive-thru, you're not gonna feel that much like it's gonna like affect you, but this stuff has affected everybody in a different way. And there you go. So I wanted to make that. So we're gonna call these flour tortilla chips, right? Flour tortilla chips, and they're very good. And I think I'm ready to take the other one. Yep, hold on a second. Let me go check. No, those are not done yet. Those need like another minute or so. But maybe I should take one. I want to take one so everybody can see how toasty they are. Oh, sorry. Oh, you want me to put them over here? Oh, I wanted everybody to see the chips. That's very hot. That is very hot for me. But I'm going to take a little bit like that because I do want you guys to see me eating it so you guys can see that they're very nice and crispy. Like I said, that we're going to be in there delicious. I don't know if you guys can. Delicious. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us, guys, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Tumblr. And if you want to donate, you can scroll down to patreon.com and click on the link. It will take you straight to the website where you can donate from $1 to $100, anything you want. So with that, we love you all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen.